you? Me, I am good. I'm grateful that we are here in our online learning about science by Teacher Ray. I am your Science 2 teacher, and we're going to learn a new topic about this afternoon or this morning. So this morning, in this our PowerPoint, we can see that there is a soil, grass, and a plant. So obviously, this day we're going to learn about soil. So what is soil, by the way? So without further ado, let's go. Now our objectives for today is you will be defining a soil. You will identify the most important types of soil. You distinguish uses and components of different types of soil. So these are objectives for today. Now before that, let's have a review quiz, because last video I sent it to you. It's all about living things and non-living things. So all you have to do is answer this question. Okay. My question in number 1 is this non-living things? Again, this picture is non-living things? Yes or no? If your answer is no, let's try. Then try again. So the correct answer here is non-living things. Yes or no? Okay, this is non-living things. Very good. Clap your hands. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Boom. Very good. Now this is non-living things because it has no life. This is a cell phone. Old cell phone. It has a keypad here. So this is a cell phone before. So this is non-living things. Okay, let's go for the next picture. Now in the next picture, obviously, what you can see here is what? It's a frog, a big frog. A frog. Now my question is, this frog is a living thing? Yes or no? I give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your answer? Is it like this or like this? Now, if you answer like this, let's try. Uh-oh, it's try again, meaning wrong. It's wrong. So, let's go back. This frog is living things. Sure, are you sure? Let's try. Very good. Awesome. Why? Because frog can jump, can swim, can breathe, can eat, and also can make a sound. Because frog is a living thing. Good job. Very good. Now next picture. A robot. A robot. A robot is a non-living thing. A robot is a non-living thing. Who answered like this? I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now try to answer. Is it like this or like this? Is it a non-living things? Let's try if like this, nah? Try again, meaning wrong. So let's go back. Now, is this a non-living thing? A robot is a non-living thing. What do you think? Of course, because robot cannot feel, cannot respond to stimuli, cannot. Robot can run, but don't have feelings. Robot can speak, but cannot respond to stimuli. It's a thing. So the correct answer is like this. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now, let's answer number 4. This man has, this man is a living thing. What do you think is the answer? Yes or no? Let's try if this man is non-living things. Wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. Because this man is, this man is this man is living thing. Let's try. Yes, it's a living things. Why? Because man can respond to stimuli, can breathe, can walk, can jump, can cry, can sweat, everything. Like you, like me. We can smile, we can cry, we can be happy, sad, everything. Because you are human being. And we can feel also. We can jump, we can run, we can whatever. Because we are human beings, so we are living things. Okay, so much for that. Okay. Sorry. Congratulations, said the minions. Yay! Congratulations. You did a good job. Okay. They're happy because you get the correct answer. Yeah. They are minions. Now, before we go to our topic for today, first get your dictionary so that you can understand these words. And you can pause this video if you like, then try to search this or find this word one by one so that you can understand this. Okay, now follow after me or repeat after me. Sorry. Soil, organic matter, air, humus, water, rock particle, living things. Sand, loamy soil, sandy soil, and clay soil. Okay, again, soil, air, water, living things, loamy soil, clay soil, organic matter, humus, rock particles, sand, and sandy soil. Okay, next. Now in your book, you can find the components of soil. Hope you can see this. Okay, I will read for you. Components of soil. Okay, what is soil? Soil is a thin layer of material covering the surface of the earth, meaning it has a layer. Our earth has layer. Okay. An average soil sample contains 45% rock particles, 25% of air, 25% of water, and 5% of organic matter. These are example of a pie graph of soil. Again, please memorize this. 45% of rock particles and 25% of air, 25% of water, 20% of living things, and 5% of organic matter. Okay. How many percent of rock particles? Yes, you answer 45%, you're correct. How many percent of humus? If your answer is 80%, very good. How many percent of organic matter? If you answer 5%, very good. How many percent of living things? 20%. How about how many percent in water? And how many percent of air? Now please remember this because we'll have an activity after. And remember also the percentage of each segment of this soil. Okay, now let's proceed. When animals and plants die, they are broken down and turned into humus. And humus is rich in nutrients that are needed by plants. So we all know that humus is the ingredients for the plants to have good minerals. What is humus, by the way? Humus is animals and plants. If there is died dog, cat, anything, it becomes humus. I don't know what is that name in your language, but in English that is humus. Now we can see the components of the soil when a mixture of soil and water is left or stand for some time. So components meaning the layer of the soil. So in here, different components in soil. Below there is small stones, then coarse sand, fine sand, clay, water, and humus. So we all know that humus is a died plants and animals, so it belongs to the top layer of the soil. And we can see a small stones underneath or below the soil. There is how many layer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 layers of soil. air, rock particles, water, living things, organic matter, and humus. These are the soil sample. Average soil sample contains of different percentage. Sorry. Now, how many percent of humus? That is 80%. No. How many percent or what percent of organic matter? You answered 5%. And what percent of air? That's 25%. And what percent of water? That is 25% also. And living things is 20%. Okay, please memorize this. Humus, water, clay, fine sand, coarse sand, small stones. Okay, these are examples of different components in soil. So we can see this mixture of soil, and humus is on the top and small stones is below the components. Now, this time you're going to answer your book. Again, you are going to answer your book. Okay, let's answer. Now, what are the percentage of each soil components in the average soil sample? Fill in the correct percentage. So this time you are going to write the number. In letter A, write the number, and letter B, write the word. Okay, again, letter A, write the number which corresponds to the percentage. And letter B, when mixture of soil and water in the container is left to stand for some time, this is what we can observe. Label all the components. So you are going to label each. So we all know that this is humus, and this one is solid rock. Oh, so you're going to answer here. Then after that, after you answer, you are going to color the graph. This one, no color. And please take a picture and send a photo on the line, in our line group, so that I can check those answered in the activity book. Okay? Exercise A and B only. No more, no less. After that, you take a picture. Okay? Now this time, I hope you learned something for this day. And you can pause this video so that you can answer correctly. And stay safe, and wear your mask, stay at home. See you for another video. Until next time, bye bye.